Bronye bo, bronye ba. Yes, we are blessed to witness the last month of the year 2020. And like I promised, I am going to be giving you back-to-back recipes. Make sure the food go over you guys. Today we are making fried rice and KFC style chicken. So let's not waste much time and get right into the kitchen. We will start with the ingredients for our chicken, and obviously we will be using some chicken drumsticks, but you can use any part of the chicken you want. I will also be using some beef for this recipe. I'll need some chopped onions, chopped garlic and ginger. I also have here some salt, powdered shrimp, powdered thyme, turmeric powder, and some red powdered pepper. For coating our chicken for the KFC style, we will need some all-purpose flour and corn flour. We will also need eggs, salt, baking powder, some water, and oil for frying. So for starters, we will add our beef to our chicken in a saucepan, and then we'll add all our seasoning. Then our chopped onions will also go in, followed by our garlic and ginger. And then I'll add some water and then bring to a boil till our chicken is tender. I'll stir everything in till everything is well incorporated. While our chicken cooks, let's see what we are using for our rice. Here I have some chopped green bell pepper, chopped onions, some sausages, chopped carrots, and extra green bell pepper and kpakposhito. I will also be using some rice and oil. So once our chicken and beef got cooked, I allowed them to cool down a bit, and now I'm taking them out of the stock. So now we'll be cooking our rice in our chicken and beef stock. At this juncture, if you're new here, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. So I'll go ahead and stir in my rice together with the stock. So remember our green bell pepper and kpakposhito. We'll be blending this and adding to our rice for extra flavor and color. So I'll mix everything in properly, and if you're cooking this and you feel like you need more water, please go ahead and add in some more water, but make sure it doesn't become soggy. As the rice cooks, we'll work on our chicken by mixing our flour with our cornstarch and salt and baking powder. Once everything is mixed up properly, I will attempt to divide the mixture into two. Just so you know I haven't forgotten you, my returning subscribers, I greet you all. So after dividing the mixture into two equal parts, I'll go ahead to add in my eggs and water to one of the parts. So I'll stir this very well till all my ingredients are very well mixed up. Now let's coat our chicken. First of all, I will dip the chicken into the liquid mixture, and then I'll put it into the flour mixture or the dry mixture. Once I'm done coating my chicken, I'll go ahead and fry. If your oil is not hot enough, your chicken will soak the oil and will not come out properly. So do make sure you've heated the oil up properly. And we are frying this till it's golden brown. See how beautiful that chicken looks. Now let's start our fried rice by putting some oil into our saucepan. This is to your discretion. And then you add in your cooked beef. Stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and add in my sausages. And let that also fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm adding in my chopped onions for extra flavor. I'll let that also fry in for about 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, I'll add in my green bell pepper, which I've chopped. And then my carrots will also go in. Stir fry this for about 3 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and add in my cooked rice. I'm adding in 2 batches so it's easier for me to stir everything in properly. Once all your rice is added, make sure to keep stirring and frying the rice for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you're having a kids' party or thinking about going out to distribute food to those who are not privileged enough to enjoy the Christmas, this is your go-to recipe. So our KFC style chicken and fried rice is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's make this recipe go viral by sharing, and sharing. Please copy the link to this video and post on your various social media platforms. Until I see you again on Sunday, as always, keep blooming.